welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this right here. It is by this brand, and it is a professional salon hair dryer. I actually got it because I like to do like mask treatments, like deep conditioning mask treatments, and I don't like to put my hair inside of a bag and use a blow dryer just because it gets so tiring trying to hold a blow dryer over your head. That's the best way to get the most intense conditioning as you can possibly get, like what you get at the salon, is if you have one of these at home. So if you do not have one, I highly recommend it, just because it makes it so much easier and just kind of relaxing and conditioning. I am blonde, so I need all the conditioning that I can get. So let's go ahead and get right into this, and I'll open it and show you everything that's inside of here. So this is what it is right here. So it's one of the ones that you put your head under and it's just going to heat it up. So you put like, what do you call that? Like a shower cap over your head, put the conditioner on, put a shower cap on, and then sit underneath this for like 30 minutes. Read a book, listen to some music, just have some relaxed time, and you're going to get the best deep conditioning you could possibly get on your hair. So this is the instruction manual that comes with it. Ooh, this is so awesome. I'm so excited. Okay, this is kind of heavy. Okay, so this is the main device right here. Look how awesome. I cannot wait to use this. This is so cool. It's like a gigantic blow dryer. Look at this. It's massive. Oh, it's a little heavy, but you can tell it's really good quality. And that's what I like. Okay, so you'll find this bag at the very bottom of that little box, on the bottom of the box. Okay, so this is the first piece. So that's step number 1. And you're going to put this bar down in here. Is you're going to take this thing off right here. It goes right here. And then you're going to start inserting these this way. You can see there's like a triangle shape. So you're going to slide it down just like that. Super easy. And then you're going to put this back down. Over this. And then you're going to put this metal piece right there. Okay, so when placing this, you want to make sure that it's facing that way when you place it in here, because that's what that thing is going to screw into. So just push this in there. And then you put this stuff on like so. And then it's going to actually be able to screw in. Okay, just make sure that you push this all the way down. And then as you can see, you twist this and it's super tight, so it's not going to come off. And then you want to take the wheels and you're just going to press them in like so. Super easy. All the way around. Okay, so that's the first part done right there. So you got your base, and then after that you want to put this attachment on. Put it on like so. So like that. And then we're going to put the other bar like this. Okay, it's the bigger bar right here. So just like that. So you can see. And you're going to take this right here. And it has this screw right here. And so you're going to grab this and you're just going to tighten this up. Oops. Okay, so that had fell off. So I'm putting the washer on this side. And you put your fingers there. And then you'll be able to tighten it up. Okay, so we have that much. And then we're going to put this on. You can see it has a little thing like that. Okay, so now we're up to that part right there. And then we're going to put the head on, which is this big old beauty right here. Let me go ahead and take this part off. Whew. And then this goes right there. As you can see, and you can kind of lower it or put it as high as you want it. And that is pretty much how you set this thing up. This thing is huge. This thing's like massive. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I'm super short, so I'm gonna have to put it on short, as you can see, and then just kind of lower it as low as I can and then turn it on. So let's go ahead and get it a little bit lower. So this would be a perfect place for me to actually do my hair, because I have a table, so if I want to read as I'm doing it, I can. So I'm going to push it down so that you guys can see. So it does have different controls. Okay, so these are the controls. It has, of course, that's your on button, and you would turn it over. You can do it 10 minutes, 20 minutes. You can do it all the way up to an hour. It has low, and you can go all the way up to high. Heat. So this is heat. This is timer, and then this is fan. So right now it's on high, but it also has low. So I would probably put it on high and then high heat, but it does go all the way to low. So that's low, but I went high, and for like 60 minutes. So all you would do is normally, like if you're at a salon, they'll like kind of put it on over your head, but like I would probably do it sideways like this. You would have your hair thing and then just go up. Just like that. So I tried this out the next day. I did a 30-minute hair treatment. It did amazing, and I absolutely love this product. Highly recommend. That's pretty cool. That is so cool. So let me go ahead and turn it off. So it dings when you're done. I got a hairdo. Whew. Now normally your hair either has bleach on it when you use these. If you do bleach your hair at home, like with the bleaching caps or something, this is really good if you really want to get it to process faster, or if it's not turning blonde enough. Most of the time when I get my hair done, I always have to sit underneath these. So this is really awesome. This is heavy duty, like super good quality. This is salon quality, is a salon quality product. And I cannot wait to do a hair treatment with this. I'm definitely going to be doing that. But I've used these many, many times throughout my life. I've bleached my hair since like I was in my 20s. No, even younger. So I've been using these my whole life. And this is definitely the same quality as a salon. So yay, I finally got my own. But yeah, if you guys are interested, I will be linking where you can actually purchase it down in the description box below. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.